Here is a simple guide on how you can delete all of your Facebook posts at once. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down and go to your Activities section. Tap on Activity Log. Now, in the Activity Log section, tap on Manage Activity, or you can go ahead and tap on Manage Your Post. Here, go to the Filters section. Here, tap on Filters, and then select the categories that you want to. Also, select the date. Tap on Select All option, and then tap on Delete. And then tap on Recycle Bin over here. Once you move it to the trash, you can go ahead, access the Recycle Bin section, and from here, you can delete everything permanently right away. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.